Alright, so Stock Master back here again with another video for you guys. And today we're going to be talking about ZOM, Zomedica. Right now Zomedica is the talk of social media. So let's get straight to it. But before we get to the topic, if you like content like this, when stock like this, subscribe, like, and share. Leave a comment below on what your thoughts on Zomedica is, and let's get into it. So a lot of people are wondering, what is Zomedica, right? It's a animal health and veterinarian industry, and basically their job or their focus is to lower costs, increase productivity, and grow revenue while better serving animal in their care. All right. So the next thing is, so why is the stock of Zomedica skyrocketing, right? And I think that why did it surge? So this is an article that was posted 46 minutes ago by Motley. But they had a good point. So excitement building for the upcoming launch of Zomedica point of care diagnostic platform for pets on March 30th. So on March 30th, they're gonna have a new platform come out, right? So a lot of people are anticipating that and they're investing because if this platform comes out and a lot of investors are like, oh shoot, Zomedica is they have a new product, right? New diagnostic platform basically, and we want to invest. That's good for small shareholders that are buying not millions of shares. Okay, so hypothetically, if investors invest, small shareholders will benefit from this. And of course, another part is where is it? And of course, so Carol Baskin, right? If you guys know the Netflix show Tiger King, Carol Baskin mentions with Medica in one of her recent video on social media, right? So that may have been a reason why Zomedica price surged too. So all speculations. We don't know if it's this or if it's the diagnostic platform, but to each their own. All right. So the next thing we're gonna talk about is the pet industry, right? The thing about this Zomedica is that if the pet industry is in need and is growing, the Zomedica would definitely grow over time. That's my thought on it. So base year 2019, right? The pet care market was 223 billion. Okay, that's pretty big, a big industry. Of course, 2015 to 2019 historical data for. Let's see, forecast period 2026. So by 2026, USD, they said that the industry is gonna go to 327.8 billion. That's the prediction. So the animal industry is growing, and like I said in my notes already, I went over a little more in the pet care industry within my Petco video. So if you want to look at the data analysis and stuff like that, definitely hop onto my Petco video, and I'll share that at the end of the video. And check out the video. I have a lot of good data in there, a lot of qualitative, quantitative data, and so on. So definitely check that out. And of course, the next part is: are you bullish or bearish? So I'm gonna put up a poll here, right now, and definitely select whether you're bullish or bearish with ZOM. All right, so my personal opinion, right? So for me, my personal opinion on ZOM, Zomedica, is that I am bullish because the pet care industry is growing. So if you watch my video on Petco, that's the reason why I'm bullish on Petco. But at the same time, I'm bullish on Zomedica because the pet industry is growing. Well, is it a long-term hold for me? As of right now, I'm not too sure on the company yet because I need more information on the company. Need to do more extra DD. Need more announcement to see if the platform's coming out, right? And of course, another thing I want to mention for the platform is that they have a lot of pipeline going on for like a lot of stuff going on for them. They have their True Forma point of care biosensor platform, the thyroid and adrenal disorder immunity. So they have that going for them. At the same time, they have the pathogen detection platform going for them, and then the canine cancer liquid biopsy platform. So they actually have a lot of stuff going for them, and that's a good thing for this company. Maybe I'll grab a couple hundred shares and let it sit, right? Because right now it's not sitting too high. The price, watch. Deal in Yahoo Finance just to get the most updated price. So right now it's sitting at $1.37, right? So if I buy like $200, $300 worth, have a couple hundred shares just sitting there, it's good for us. And of course, the past 5 days, you guys already know, whoop, people are pumping and it's growing. It's a growing industry. And of course, right now the market cap is under $1 billion, so you want to get when the market cap's not too high. So I am bullish on this, and I'm probably gonna hold a couple hundred shares for a long term, and then buy a couple more hundred to flip to profit, right? So buy low, sell high, so on. So that's what I want to do, but this is definitely a long term hold for me. And do your own DD, and invest at your own risk. All right, so if you like content like this, definitely subscribe, like, and share. Leave a comment down below your thoughts on Zomedica, and I'll see you guys in the next video.